ClutchPro kit we have for the CRV K24 A1. Just look at the part number. Should be around somewhere. There it is. That's the part number. This is a standard replacement. Here's the used one. Obviously, seen our review of the blue steel clutch kit. This wasn't right, but there we go, it's right. There's a spigot. Comes with a spigot bearing as well, this kit, which is good. Comes with the lube, the sticker, in case you want to be a cool kid. Clutch plate. I'll have a look, see how different it is to the original. Right there, which is why this gearbox is out, because that was dead. So far so good. From experience, this all looks correct. Alright, that's the pressure plate. Let's get rid of all this rubbish. That's the plate. Gearbox side. That's the gearbox side of the standard one. You can see they match up pretty well. It's a pressure plate. I mean, that looks almost like the same part, right? So yeah, factory, the ClutchPro. Yeah, we shouldn't have any problems with that. We'll mount it up if we something. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah, so we'll get to fitting the clutch back to the engine and we'll get the gearbox back in. Clutch plate and pressure plate torqued up the spec on the flywheel. Obviously you're ready to put the transmission back on, but for the clutch, that's it. Tool worked good, everything worked great as it should. It all fitted up nicely. If you, obviously for a warranty for a clutch, I'm pretty sure you need to have the receipt for your flywheel being machined, so make sure you keep that. But you know, if you need a receipt for a clutch, it's probably more to do with the way you're driving or something else wrong with the car than the clutch itself. So yeah, that's it. It all went together really smoothly. Take it for a drive, get back to you. Alright, so the ClutchPro kit for the Gen 2 CRV is in, test driven, as good as new. Great clutch kit, recommend it, used it before, use it again. Worth asking for at the parts store, and great value as well.